Hello, future people. My name is Richard Bukuski, and I am a futurist and founder at Digital Wheel of Fortune. Our unique edge is that we use symbolism and primal imagery of the Tara to construct reliable stories of future forecasts and see potential outcomes and connections in different ways. Welcome to my first video for the Future of Video series, in which I'll be sharing valuable signals, trends, scenarios, and future forecasts across various intertwining sectors. This is the part 2 video on the topic of the future of law and courts. And check out part 1 video where I share an overview of several possible scalable technologies-based solutions and address some of the potential legal sector fixes to a new and long-standing court issue. The topic of this Tara video is the judgment card. The card shows people with outspread arms looking up in the sky at Gabby. Yeah, that's right. Archangel Gabriel. He is calling the people by blowing his trumpet. The card symbolizes the call to either put up or shut up and have your abilities tested. You are ready and you're not afraid to stand up for what you believe in, but you also have to heed the call and know that you have to keep your goals in mind. Now, speaking of heeding scalable legal solutions, those wacky crypto brainiacs are in the game, and just like the current unequitable state of blockchain cryptocurrency, they are trying to help the wealthy make money off complete strangers' lawsuits. First, some background on the litigation funding. Half gambling and half fundraising, litigation gambling gives a way for people with money to help those without money, and in return to get a share of whatever the potential settlements are that the claimants would win. As reported in Vice, the startup Rival is disrupting the world of litigation by funding and gamifying the U.S. court system and taking the litigation funding concept and cryptifying it by allowing investors to find and fund cases directly on the blockchain. According to Vice, the Rival's goal is to make access to justice more affordable and wants to make the federal court system more accessible to all. Another future trend that we are watching is the onboarding and the use of artificial intelligence, AI. Still in its infancy and limited, AI is not participating in the decision-making process of filing charges and suggesting sentences, and still has some work to do here, but only in the United States. We have seen and read about an AI developing in China, which can access case files in that specific way. The machine can identify and charge criminals with the district's 8 most common crimes: credit card fraud, gambling, reckless driving, intentional assault, obstructing an officer, theft, fraud, and even political dissidence. Another supporting signal toward AI is the current growth of contract reviews and data extraction solutions. These solutions, systems use advanced search and artificial intelligence to manage contract workflows. The company Sky, legal tech company, worked with CPG company giant Unilever, who needed to review around 18,000 contracts in relations to 20 business critical data points of their M&A transactions. Now, this is a common use of case, and lots of organizations go through it. Typically, they would historically outsource to outside law firms to provide these services for them. However, by integrating Sky's artificial intelligence, Unilever was able to review over 15,000 documents in less than one calendar month, which was 20 times more efficient than in a manual review. Another advantage of using artificial intelligence in this way is that once the new or revised clause is learned, it is immediately updated and applied to all the past and future contracts in real time. Now, let it be known that there is still much more on the future of a law, such as ethics, privacies, and the shadow side of all of these possibilities and changes. And we'll just have to save those for another video. It would do me wonders if you could like, share, comment on these videos, and click in the description to learn more about Digital Wheel of Fortune and how you can take the first steps in integrating the power of future thinking in this once-in-a-generation time. Thank you for joining me today, and keep a lookout for more videos and useful content on my website, digitalwheelfortune.com, and LinkedIn and Medium platforms. Thank you very much. Bye.